Hello guys, welcome back. This is Cecilia from Super U Display Group, and we just finished a new project in Canada. This store is mainly sells about the glassware store, and I would like to share some items for you. So follow me. So the first product I would like to introduce you to is about the wall display cabinet. We offer with the customized service. We can change the material according to your budget. So this customer, they don't have a big budget. So we mainly choose the melamine board for him. So you can see this is a white melamine board. Together to showcase the glassware product, we choose to use the white melamine board and with the LED light underneath the panel. At the bottom, we offer with the storage cabinet, so you can store some product underneath. And I would like to introduce the second product to you. Is this one. This is another wall display rack with you can see the back panel have a lot of small holes, right? So we offer with the adjustable hooks. This adjustable hook offer with the flexibility arrangement for you to adjust the height according to your product. So you can hang in some water cup in these places to sell your water cup. And I would like to share with you about this one. This is a normal display cabinet. This cabinet, we mainly use the wood pattern melamine board, and the distance between the panel is been carefully calculated, make sure that the product can better showcase in this display racks, display cabinet, and it easy to access by the customer. And below, we also do with the storage cabinet. You can see they have a lot of space to storage your cabinet. And inside is a melamine board with the adjustable. So we do a lot of holes. You can adjust the height of the panel according to your product. And let's move to the next part. This one. I would like to introduce this one. This one is mainly designed for selling the knife, because the cutting tooth. So for the safety, we make with a glass door, so it can protect the knife. So if the customer they want to buy the knife, the cutting tooth, they can call the salesman and get the product. And you can see this back panel is very special. It's magnetic attraction, so the knife can be easily magnetic attract in these places. So it's very useful, right? Beautiful and practical. And I would like to introduce you with the next product. And this is the checkout counter. This checkout counter is multifunctional. It have the function of the checkout counter and also with the display. So when the customer they come to do the checkout, they can also pick up some product they want. So you can put some wholesale product or all-sale product in these places. And on the behind we do a lot of drawer. So you can see in these places, we offer with different storage. So first one is the drawer. It's the drawer. And second, we offer with the storage cabinet with the adjustable melamine board. And we also offer with the open shelf for you to put things on package bag. So when your workers do the checkout work, they can check. When the customer they take the money, so the salesman they could just directly use the backpack and pack the product for the customer. And this is the island. This is the island for better to showcase your product. So the open space allows the customer to pick the interesting product very easily. And below is a big cabinet space. You can see they have a huge space for the storage. And the last one is the window display racks. So this window display rack, we mainly use two materials. First of all is the glass shelf. The glass shelf is easy to clean, and this is the paint iron. You can get closer to feel its texture. It have a good texture, look very luxury and high-end beauty. So that is all the product we've designed for the glassware store. Is there anyone you're interested in? If you want to learn more information and want to know the service about our company, you can feel free to contact us by Alibaba or our website. So I will see you in next project. This is Cecilia. Bye bye.